And you are off. Have a great time out there. Use the water stops. Seek out the shade. Come back feeling great about your accomplishment. First timers, let's hear it from you. Everybody see those cameras overhead? You want to be in a picture next year? Give them a big wave. 5,019, a record crowd at the 35th running of the Freihoppers Run for Women. We've got the dark purple bibs, we got the yellow bibs, we got the green bibs now. We got 6 Olympians, 25 states, 26 countries represented. We've got an entrant as young as 6 and an entrant as old as 81. We've got everybody in between, first-time racers, lifetime racers, Olympians, walkers. Great to have all of you out here. Don't forget to wave to the cameras. And now